Hi, good afternoon. Hi, teacher. This is my homework presentation all about me. Okay, hold on. And the next. Hello, my name is Daniel Vega Calao. I was born in Monteria, Córdoba, in Colombia, but I was living in Bogota for 10 years. And right now I'm living here in Monteria. Here is my phone number. My phone number is 310-308-2298. My favorite color is black, and my mail address is blp underscore tvega3 at hotmail.com. Okay, hold on. Okay, there are my family. I'm living right now with my mom and my children. She she's my mom. Her name is Lucely. And it's me, and he's my little baby Emmanuel. His name is Emmanuel. He's 4 years old, and she is my niece Mariana, and he's my son. He's 11 years old, and my daughter Nicole, she's 14 years old, and they are my family, teacher. So the next one is what do I for a living, or what I do for a living. So I'm working right now like a maintenance worker, drywall installer, blinds installer too. I've been working as drywall installer and construction labor for almost 10 years, and I'm be able to secure jobs quickly and efficiently and using minimal supervision. I'm very helpful. I believe that I work really well under pressure, and I have a positive attitude always, with the ability to work in a physically demanding environment. So, and that's it for right now, teacher. So the next is thank you and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a nice day, teacher. So take care. Bye bye.